With the start of the new month, some people are really embracing spring. As the snow continues to disappear and buds start to open on trees, meteorologists are predicting the warming trend to continue. But that isn't necessarily good news.
A month left in the semester, and it's crunch time. Martha Giesbrecht set up her books on a picnic bench.
I like it a lot better than inside, that's for sure.
Studying is better under the sun. The native of Prince George says April doesn't always look like this.
No, usually not. Usually we have quite a bit of rain, still some snow outside, but most of it's melted away, so.
According to meteorologist Stephen Derry, this trend has been influencing our weather for months. During the winter,
we had rain on snow, we had a thunderstorm in the month of December, so very unusual conditions actually this past winter, very mild.
Thanks to El Nino, it was one of the mildest winters on record. Prince George saw just a couple of major snowfalls and a few days of frigid temperatures. That's because, for the most part, the jet stream continues to draw Pacific air up from the southwest.
The Pacific Ocean is quite warm actually just off the coast of Vancouver and Vancouver Island, actually 2 to 3 degrees warmer than usual. So it looks like coming into spring, we're going to maintain above average temperatures.
That's good news for people out enjoying the mild weather, but the early thaw could have some drawbacks.
There's still some snow at higher elevations, but the snowpack levels are quite low compared to normal. So we'll see an early start probably to the forest fire seasons this coming summer if the warm temperatures persist.
So the warm weather could mean some problems in our region, but likely still not as severe as in the east.
Just been pummeled this year, blizzard after blizzard, lots of snow, very cold temperatures, a lot of sea ice in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. So we're benefiting from the warm weather, but others are actually not benefiting because it means cooler temperatures for them.
In BC, the sun is shining and it's looking like a warm month ahead. For some of us, it still isn't enough.
I miss the summer, to be honest.
Camille McDonald, CKPG News.